Hey, what's going on, everyone? You guys know that everyone's making videos about the iPad new thing. So, all these different people doing all these things. I'm like, you know what? The very first iPad that ever came out, I went on it, it still worked. It still, touchscreen works and everything like that. But it actually came out in 2010, which is pretty interesting. And looking around, the 9.7-inch screen up top. You have the volume buttons on the side. You have a ringer switch with the power button on the side. You have black on silver, which is so amazing. I literally love that. And I love Apple products.